MeghalayaPost.news.
Dr. Ricky AJ Syngkon kum UMP ke Shillong habalik bang ajing kren yakawe na ki program ajing kai ulai mensem Khynnah Skul bat ki samla da ka baong mangidon kabor banle ikikam ki Khraw haka Jingim yakini kintin ula kren haka program ajing kai career guidance malapelong da ka sang samla and cultural sport club saat red harangkat ke jing trilang ke University of Science and Technology Meghalaya malapelong mentaka sengi CFC hall sning kaba ulak hamban kya yaki samla ban poi sikikam kaba Khraw kade ga jingnong kam ban suspa ya kapor ladangim nang ban tengkai ya kapor mindu no iki baro
given us, each one of us, the ability to think, the ability to do, the ability to act, and therefore a program such as this calls upon each one of you and also the organizers, to do something. And once again, awareness program reminds us, or the word awareness reminds us that all of us, we have the ability. Yes or no? Yes or no? We all have the ability. We can do great things. And thank you once again for the person, the young boy who had the courage to stand up and to come forward and to spell the word awareness. And I'm sure each one of you can spell the word awareness, but that, you don't have that courage. So it's important, if you want to build a career for yourself, to also be, you have the ability, but unless you move forward, it remains within you. Then next comes the word W. All of us, none of us, we can say that we cannot write. All of us can write. So whatever you have in your mind, write it down. Writing is very important. Write down what you have in mind. Write down what you want to be in life. That is very important. Unless you write it down, you will forget. So it is important that while in this program, write it down. Don't just say that I'll remember. Yes, some of you might have good memory, but that memory may fade away, in the years and days to come. Always good to write things down, okay? And it is so important to write down especially what your aim in life is. If I were to ask here, what is your aim in life? Well, we won't have much time to ask each one of you, but then from my side, I encourage you to please write down what your aim in life is going to be. Then the next word is act. ACT. You have the ability. You write it down and you act upon it. If you just simply write it down and don't do anything, it is meaningless. It will remain in paper. And therefore it is important to act. And remember, time is something which once lost is lost forever. And that is why let me, give a remark here to the organizers, not only to the organizers or to this function, but I believe to each one of us. I was talking with a few of my friends here that, the program was supposed to start at 10. So now it's already, we started I think around 10:30. We've lost 30 minutes of time. And time once lost is lost forever. No amount of wealth that you might have can get back what you have lost. And time is something that we cannot afford to lose. If you lose time, you lose a lot of things. So, and that is important. And why I say that time is important? Because when we act, we have to act timely. We cannot say, let me, wait for some time. No. If there's something that we need to do it now.
MeghalayaPost. meghalayapost.news.